The Adventures of Teddy. My teddy bear, Mr. Cuddles, is my best friend. Today we went on a big adventure together. I packed a small backpack with snacks and a map, and we set off to explore the backyard. We pretended the grass was a jungle, and we were brave explorers. I climbed trees while Mr. Cuddles watched from my backpack. We discovered hidden treasures like colorful rocks and shiny leaves. I made up stories about pirates and treasure islands as we played. After our adventure, we had a picnic on the grass. I shared my snacks with Mr. Cuddles because friends always share. We talked about our dreams of going to faraway places and meeting new friends. When it was time to go inside, I hugged Mr. Cuddles tightly and promised we would have more adventures tomorrow. Imagination makes every day special, and I love spending time with my best friend.